Africa, for me, it's the future of the world. There are a myriad of ethnic groups, of traditions, of cultures. I refuse to be out of touch with the reality person. I realized quickly that global impact projects could be a great opportunity.
I wanted to take this time to make something useful, and I just wanted to leave my comfortable zone to discover me, but also to discover people.
I think it's important also to level the playing field. Green energy is the future. The Association Jeunesse Verte du Cameroun understands that. The organization tries to implement large-scale program in order to use green energy.
Here, the sun is one of the biggest power of the country. It allowed AJVC to create a project with solar panel and to give energy to house, hospital, schools all day, all night, all year. At AJVC, there is no daily task. Every week is very different. At the beginning, it was the communication, then contacting the company, and then it was interviewing people. Now it's going on the ground to collect data.
We are here in the medical center of Ozone in Yaoundé, and our mission is to collect data and testimonial about the PODC impact.
1 year ago, we implemented solar panel. It allowed the hospital to have energy for the fridge and to conserve vaccine.
Now it's possible to vaccinate population and to unify population also.
I've learned a lot about the solar energy here. I think it's fantastic because it gave a lot of opportunity to vaccine all the population, to create a better access to education. With the light in the house, it creates work with some machines that work with the sun. So I think it's an amazing project.
In our Western society, ecology seems to be a heated debate, and on the contrary, here in Cameroon, it's a common subject, a positive subject. Ecology allows to unify communities. It's possible to change concretely the life of a people thanks to green activities.
So I'm so grateful for this project because in one hand we help them with the communication, on the other hand they help us to discover the true life. Just wake up the morning and smile and eat some bread together and share some basic moments of life. There is no barrier between you and the people here. It's the strength of the Cameroon, the fact that you are never alone.